turducken. I think that's funny.
You stuff a chicken inside a duck, inside a turkey. But out here on the road, things get kind of quirky. It's a camper on a truck, on a trailer with toys, rolling down the highway, making all